This Halloween, set the mood with an eerie, crying woman sound effect using EaseUS VoiceWave. Perfect for haunted scenes or spooky storytelling. EaseUS VoiceWave allows you to switch to this chilling sound with ease. Beyond just the crying woman effect, you'll find a vast collection of voices and effects, from ghostly whispers to sinister monsters. Its user-friendly design lets you instantly experiment with different effects, making it easy to create a truly haunting atmosphere for parties, pranks, or videos. Let EaseUS VoiceWave add a spine-tingling touch to your Halloween.